So the Bloody Mary is an incredible beverage, and I wanna make sure that you know how to make them better than average. Okay, so you're gonna take your tomato juice base. Now, I really love to use, vodka. So I'm gonna put a healthy amount of that in there, like super healthy. Like, we're more than just friends vodka. There we go. And then you're gonna take your Frank's Red Hot sauce. I put this shit on everything. Now, McCormick makes a variety of extract for this. I'm gonna use the lemon, but you can choose. Now you're gonna stir that up, let the vodka get all the way to the bottom and then all the way back up to the top, just like what it's gonna do in my tummy. Add a little pepper, a little salt. That's your base. Now here's where it gets really fun. You can do like McCormick taco seasoning, salt and pepper, or Old Bay on the rim. You take a little bit more of your lemon extract, just a drop in some water. Wet your rim, put it in your seasoning. There you go, pretty easy, right? So you're just gonna do this one by one. No big deal. Oh, yes. Now from here, you add your mix to your glass. Ideally, you would chill the tomato juice before pouring it into your cup, so that way you don't have to add ice, but you could always make little ice cubes out of your tomato juice beforehand. Okay, from here, the classic tomato and mozzarella, I would put that in the salt and pepper. Super cute. You can dress it with a lime on your taco, maybe add some celery and some shrimp, olives, and now, if you want to be total baller, like you got the promotion, you're having a party brunch, throw in a crab leg. Dress it up with some celery, and of course, don't be shy. Everybody looks better in bacon. Everybody. This is what a real Bloody Mary bar looks like. Thanks, McCormick.